There's a really interesting paradox when you're a salesperson, because especially if you're commission only, the more often that you're not able to close and make sales, the more internally you're going to be feeling anxious and stressed. The problem with that though is the more you try to make a sale, the more sales resistance you create in the prospect that you're talking to. The paradox is if you're not making sales, probably what you need to do is try less. So you disarm a prospect when your energy and tonality and language indicates that you're not trying to get them to close, that you're not trying to get them to pay you money. You're simply investigative, you're curious, you're trying to understand, you're inviting them, you control the conversation, but you're making them feel like they're controlling the conversation. And so really, if you want to make more sales, you have to do the opposite of trying harder. You, in many ways, need to try less hard.